Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to be learning on how to write the letter E. So on the left side, we have capital E, or you can call it big E. And on the right side, we have lowercase e, or you can call it little e. So let's get started on how to write capital E first. So for capital E, it's made up of 4 lines. So we're going to start with line number 1. So line number 1, we're just making a straight line, just like that. And now line number 2, we're going to start at the top of our straight line. And now we're going to make line number 2, but we're going to make a straight line going across, just like that. And now line number 3, we're going to make at the bottom of our straight line. So here's line number 3. And let's keep in mind, let's have line number 2 and 3. Try to make it the same length. So now we're going to make our 4th line. And that 4th line is going to go in the middle. But that 4th line is going to be shorter than line number 2 and line number 3. And here we have capital E. So let's go ahead and make capital E one more time together, friends. So we're going to start off with line number 1, and we're going to make that straight line. Here is line number 1. Perfect. Now we're going to make line number 2. And line number 2 goes on top of that straight line, but it's going to go across just like that. And now we're going to make line number 3, which is on the bottom of our straight line. And we're going to make that also going across. And we're going to also keep in mind that line number 2 and 3 should be about the same length. And now let's make our last line, which is line number 4. And line number 4 is our shortest line. And here we have capital E. So now let's move on and make lowercase e. So for lowercase e, we're going to start off by making a straight line going across. So we're going to make a straight line going across just like that. And then at the top of our line that we just made right here, we're going to make a curved line going all the way around. And here we have lowercase e. Let's go ahead and do that one more time together, friends. We're going to start off by making our straight line. And then we're going to start off at the end of our line. And we're going to make a curved line going all the way around. And here we have lowercase e once again. But Miss T is going to do that for you guys one more time because my E looks a little bit messy. So we're going to start off with our straight line. And then we're going to make a curved line going all the way around. Nice job, friends. So now I have a challenge for you guys to do at home. I want you to find someone in your house and I want you to tell them, hey, I'm going to teach you how to make capital and then also lowercase e, just like how we did it in the video. All right, friends, good luck with teaching someone in your house how to make capital and lowercase e. I know you guys are going to be great teachers. I can't wait to hear how it went. All right, TTC family, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey, TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.